Look, I'm going to be brutally honest with you. Most Indians will retire broke, and it's not because they don't earn enough. It's because they don't know about this. I just checked my friend's NPS account. He's 35, started 5 years ago with just 2000 rupees per month. His current value 4.2 lakh rupees, and the government is literally paying him to save for retirement. Hey everyone, Dipom here, and today I'm exposing the retirement secret that the government wants you to know, but somehow 9 out of 10 Indians are completely clueless about. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your tax savings into a retirement gold mine. And trust me, your 60-year-old self will thank you for watching this video. So what exactly am I talking about? It's called NPS, the National Pension System. And here's why this is absolutely insane. Imagine having a money-making machine that works like this. You put money in, the government reduces your taxes, professional fund managers multiply your money, and after 30 years, you become a Crorepati. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what I thought. But here's the reality check, and this is crucial. Once you put money in NPS, it's locked until you turn 60. No exceptions, no emergencies. No, please, I need it for my daughter's wedding. Locked. NPS started in 2004 for government employees who were tired of depending on pensions. But since 2009, it's open for every Indian between 18 to 70 years old. Now there are two versions. Tier 1, your main retirement vault, money goes in, gets locked till 60. Tier 2, like a regular mutual fund, you can withdraw anytime. 99% of people only need Tier 1. That's where the magic happens, and that's what we're focusing on today. Alright, here's where your mind is about to be blown. Your NPS money doesn't just sit in a bank account earning 3% interest. No way. It gets invested across 4 different asset classes. Equity, that's the stock market. High risk, but potentially massive returns. Corporate bonds, companies borrowing money from you. Government bonds, the safest option. Government guaranteed alternative investments, REITs, in which fancy stuff. Now here's the genius part. You get to choose how aggressive or conservative you want to be. Active choice, you're the boss. 175% in stocks, done. Want to play it super safe with 25% in stocks? Your call. Auto choice, the system becomes your financial advisor. Young, more stocks. Getting older, more bonds. It automatically adjusts as you age. But wait, it gets even better. Remember how I said the government pays you to save? Here's the breakdown. Section 80C gives you 1.5 lakh rupees tax deduction, but NPS gives you an extra 50,000 rupees deduction under Section 80CCD 1B. That's 2 lakh rupees total tax savings. If you're in the 30% tax bracket, you're saving 60,000 rupees in taxes every single year. And when you retire, 60% of your money is completely tax-free. The remaining 40% goes into an annuity for monthly pension, which is also tax-free. It's like the government is giving you a triple tax benefit. Quick favor, if this is already making sense to you, just tap that like button right now. It takes 2 seconds and it tells me you want more content like this. Also, make sure you're subscribed because I drop money making videos every week that you don't want to miss. Now here's the million rupee question that everyone's asking. Should you put your hard-earned money into NPS? Listen carefully. NPS is perfect for you if you're a salaried employee already maxing out your ATC limit and want more tax savings. That extra 50,000 deduction is pure gold. You're someone who spends money impulsively. NPS will literally force you to save for retirement. No temptation, no, I'll just withdraw this once. You're young and want to harness the power of compounding. Time is your biggest wealth creator here. But run away from NPS if you might need money before 60. Medical emergency, child's education, business opportunity. Sorry, your money is locked. No negotiations. You are already 55 plus and want flexibility. NPS is a long-term commitment, not a short-term play. You're someone who can already invest 50,000 rupees in ELSS mutual funds, which give you liquidity after just 3 years. Let me be crystal clear, NPS is not for everyone. It's for people who understand that retirement planning requires discipline and sacrifice. Alright, if you decided NPS is for you, here's exactly how to get started. Step 1. Go to the official NPS website, NSTL Coin, NPS, or visit any bank branch. Step 2. Choose your pension fund manager. You've got options like SBI, HDFC, ICICI, UTI, and others. Check their past performance. Step 3. Decide your investment strategy. Are you going with active choice or auto choice? Step 4. Complete your KYC. You'll need your Aadhaar, PAN, and bank details. Step 5. Make your first contribution. Minimum is just 1000 rupees to start. Pro tip: set up an auto debit. Treat it like an EMI to your future self. The annual maintenance charge is super low, just 0.25% for assets under 2.5 lakhs and even lower for higher amounts. Let's be honest about the pros and cons. The good: excellent tax benefits both on investment and maturity, professional fund management, very low cost compared to other products, portable across jobs, government backing, gives security. The not so good: money locked till 60. This is the biggest drawback. Annuity rates might be low when you retire. Limited withdrawal options in emergencies. Returns are market linked, not guaranteed. Real talk: NPS should be part of your retirement planning, not the only part. Diversify. Here's my personal strategy for NPS. If you're young, go aggressive. 75% equity allocation. You have time to ride out market volatility. If you're in your 40s, be moderate. 50-60% equity should work. If you're above 50, play it safe. 25-30% equity maximum. Golden rule: only invest money you won't need for the next 20-30 years. This is retirement money, not emergency money. And here's a pro tip: if you're already maxing out your ATC limit, that additional 50,000 deduction makes NPS incredibly attractive. Before we wrap up, I need you to do me a huge favor. Share this video with at least one person who needs to hear this. Your parents, your siblings, your friends. Someone's retirement depends on this information. And drop a comment below telling me what your biggest concern about NPS is. I read every single comment and I'll personally reply to help you out. So there you have it, the complete NPS blueprint that could change your retirement game forever. Look, is NPS perfect? Absolutely not. Is it a game changer for the right person? 100% yes. Here's what I want you to do right now. Ask yourself honestly, do you want to be financially independent at 60, or do you want to depend on your kids for money? If you chose financial independence, then you know what to do. If you chose dependence, well, this video wasn't for you anyway. Don't forget to absolutely smash that like button if this video opened your eyes. Subscribe for more money making content and ring that bell so you never miss out on wealth building opportunities. Drop a comment below. Are you team NPS or team I'll figure it out later? I read every single comment and I'll reply to as many as I can. And if there's any investment topic you want me to break down next, let me know. I'm always hunting for the next big opportunity to share with you. Until next time, keep building wealth, keep securing your future, and remember, your future self is counting on the decisions you make today.